Hi, I'm sorry, it's a bit noisy because the microphone is not working. Okay, so today on the 30th November 2016, students has taken the POA A Level 9755 2016 paper 1, and a lot of students are very excited to know, some of the whether some of the answers that you produce, is it correct. Okay, so you would have your question paper with you for those who have taken the questions. Okay, so those who are curious, you can take a look here. Okay, so this one, what is the question? What is the question asking? So this is one of the question that student have a problem answering. Okay, this is one of the questions students have a problem answering. Okay, so I won't explain in very detail, but I will just go through this thing. Okay, go through this thing. So the question says, enter the opening balance in the appropriate ledger account and update with the day book transaction for September. A lot of students get stunned with this question during the exam. So I will just follow the instruction of the question. So he says, enter the opening balance into the appropriate ledger account. So the appropriate ledger account is sales, purchases, sales return, purchases return, commission received. So I lay out all the ledger accounts, draw the T account, and then draw all these essential things. Okay, lay all out, spread out. Never mind, you can use 2 pieces of paper, even 3 pieces of paper, lay it out. Okay, and then so then I would see whether the account sales, is it debit nature or credit nature. So I think carefully, I don't make any careless mistakes, so I know it's credit nature. So the question says, number 5, accounts in the ledger of Basharat at 1 September 2016 show the following balances. So very easy, so I need to be careful, don't make careless mistakes. So sales is a credit nature, so 1 September balance brought down will be on the credit side. Purchases, 1 September 2016 balance brought down on the debit side. So sales is a credit nature, sales return is a debit nature. Okay, so this one 2595, right? And then purchases return is a credit nature, balance brought down here in the question 911. Okay, balance brought down. Commission received is an income, it is a credit nature, so balance brought down here. Okay, you can see all these sales, purchases, sales return, purchases return, commission are all profit and loss account item. Okay, profit and loss account item. Then after that, the question says subsidiary book total for the month September were as follows. Sales day book 10764. So as I have explained earlier on, those who don't know, you should go and subscribe for all the videos, e-learning videos in my website. Okay, so sales day book is to record credit sales, so the other account will be debtors 10764. So the total sales during the month September, total credit sales during the month September 10764. So the total here will transfer to the profit and loss account because it is a profit and loss account item. Even this line, if you don't do it, I'm not sure if they will minus any marks. I don't think so, but I just want to play safe because the question only says enter the opening balance into the appropriate ledger account, which is this one, and update with the day book transaction, which is this one. This one is extra, but I will put it because I'm trying to play safe, during the exam. But if you don't put it, probably they won't even minus mark. So if you just put this, you have already complied with what the question wants. But I just want to play safe, put this as well. Okay, purchases. Yeah. So the question says the subsidiary book total. Purchases day book 3570. Okay, purchases day book is to record credit purchases during the month September as stated in the question. So the other account will be creditors because it's credit purchase. Right, then sales return, right, is to record credit sales return, those that we have not pay out in cash. Okay, those that is to be offsetted against account. Sales return debit for a total is 630, the other account will be debtors. Purchases return, okay, 487, right? And then commission received, there's nothing in the subsidiary book for commission received, so this total will go to profit and loss account, right? So the B, explain the usefulness of double entry bookkeeping system when recording transactions into manual accounting system. So you can answer any logical question, may not be same like this, but this is one of the way to answer. Okay, the other question that student find it also confusing or a bit difficult is question 8. I won't go through all the questions, you know. Okay, so question 8 is one of the more difficult questions, so I have it here. The difficult part is okay, those slightly more complicated one could be additional information number 3. Chan Yu took stock value 3450 for his own use. Okay, so you see additional number 1, stock at the year end was valued at 5370. That already strongly indicated to me that this is periodic stock system where they don't have any regular journal entries for stock, but they do their stock take at the year end and the value is 5370. Okay, so that means the 5370 closing stock is the correct value in the balance sheet. Okay, it's the correct value in the balance sheet. Okay, so then number 3, so Chan Yu took, so that means he indirect draw out resources from the company. So drawings will be 4,000 as stated in the question plus 3450, which is his stock drawing. So his total drawings is 7450. Okay, the 3450, that means he's taking out the stock for his own use. That means the purchases for business, for selling to customer is 32720 minus 3450. The closing stock is correct because it is taken at the stock take at the year end. So it's absolutely correct because this question has strongly indicated to me that the company is using periodic stock system, not perpetual stock system. Okay, the number 6, additional information number 6. Okay, insurance is a bit more complicated. Okay, they said there's stock insurance and also there's the insurance that is under expenses. Why I put stock insurance here is because you see this is cost of sales. Any type of cost or expenses that is directly relating to the main cost of the business or relating to the stock of the business in managing the stock directly, directly related to the stock of the business should be added to the cost of the stock or in other words the cost of sales of the business. Okay, they say stock insurance, they are buying insurance for the stock, for the stock of the company. So that is the direct expenses of the company, so it should put under cost of sales, right? So I will show you because I don't try to do all my workings mentally unless it is so simple. For more complicated workings, I'll do in the workings page. Okay, the total insurance as stated in the trial balance is insurance is 2325. The additional information number 6 says that this is for the period on 1/10/15 to 31st/3/16, which is 6 months. Okay, but the year end is 30 June 16. So for the other 3 months is not paid yet. So the question says only for the period of 1/10 to 31st March has been paid so far. So for this 3 months period have not been paid. So if this is for 6 months, 3 months would be 1163. How? Okay, 2325 divided by 2, so I round it up 1163. So this is my total insurance. Okay, total insurance expense. Out of this, the stock insurance is 870 for these 6 months. So for these 3 months, the will be half of that. Okay, so the total stock insurance is 1305. Okay, 1305 will go under cost of sales. Okay, the balance will be just now, 3488 minus the 1305 will go under expenses, because this is indirect. This is direct, so it goes under cost of sales. Okay, the rest, for those students who have revised very thoroughly, this is nothing unusual. Is what you have been practicing for throughout your course of your A levels, right? So student who have revised thoroughly would have been able to do the rest of the numbers, okay, without much difficulty, right? Okay, so debtors, this is a bad debt. Okay, so yeah, so I hope that student has gotten most part correct, and okay, and thank you again, and hopefully you will do your paper 2 in a few days time, okay, without careless mistakes. Bye.